Hello, dear students. Let's start the exercise objective questions of chapter 2, Changes Around Us. So, come on the question number 1. Choose the correct options. Question number A. Choose the correct options. Here, some multiple choice questions. Only one choice is the correct choice. Question number A. Question number 1. Most physical changes are. So, most physical changes are options: temporary change, irreversible change, permanent change, and desirable change. So, in the given options, most of the physical changes are the temporary change, not a permanent change. Only some are the permanent change. Most are the reversible change. Only some are the irreversible changes. Most are the undesirable changes. Some are the desirable changes. So A number option is the right options. Now next questions. Spoiling of food is A options: desirable change, chemical change, fast change, reversible change. So spoiling of food is a type of chemical changes, because during the spoiling of food a new substance are formed, and it is undesirable changes, and it is irreversible changes and a slow changes, not a fast changes. So spoiling of food is a chemical changes. They forms the distasteful substance during the spoiling of foods. They also forms the different types of bad smell. So it is a type of chemical changes. Now the next question: which of the following is a desirable changes? Desirable changes that is useful or welfare to us is called the desirable changes. That changes which is useful for us is called the desirable changes. So rusting of iron is not a desirable changes. Volcanic eruption is also not a desirable changes. Showering of milk is not a desirable changes. So formation of curd is a desirable changes, because curd which is useful for us, we can use the curd. So right answer is C number. Now the next questions. Lighting of an electric bulb is an example of A or N. So lighting of an electric bulb is a choice number: slow change, not; periodic change, not; irreversible change, not; it is a fast change. So option number B is the correct answer. Now next question. Rusting of iron is an example of A. Periodic change, not; desirable change, not; it is a undesirable change. It will lose or iron made materials. Fast change, not; it will take more times, or a month or years, for rusting of the irons. So it is a type of chemical change, because when iron combined with oxygen or H2O, they form the Ap2O3 dot XH2O. So new substances are formed which have the natures completely different from their reactant substance. So this is a type of chemical change. Now the next questions. An example of a periodic change is the. So periodic change, as you know, that periodic change, that means the changes which will repeated after a regular intervals of time, that change is called the periodic changes. So for example, when A go through particular directions and again come to the A point, that changes is called the periodic changes. So here the option is appearance of Halley comet, it becomes. Now other options, appearance of shooting star, not. Growth of a plant, it is also not. And burning of fuel, it is also wrong answer. So answer here is, correct answer is appearance of Halley comet. Halley comet. Halley comet, it will repeated after a particular interval. So Halley comet, appearance of Halley comet is a periodic changes. Now the next questions. Which of the following is an example of a physical but irreversible changes? Now here the 2 points is given. Physical, example of a physical but irreversible changes. So burning of matchstick, option number A, burning of matchstick is a irreversible changes, but it is a chemical change. Melting of an ice, it is a physical and reversible changes. Breaking of glass, so breaking of glass is a physical change and it is a irreversible change. So option number C is the correct options. Now next options, lightning of an electric bulb, it is a physical change, but it is not a irreversible change. Now the next question, fill in the blanks. B number, fill in the blanks. Question number A, 1. Periodic change occur after dash interval of times. So periodic change occurs after regular interval of time. So as you know that Earth moves around the sun. So approx 365 days. The Earth again follow their same path and same points. So after a regular intervals of times, they follow their regular paths. They follow their same path. So it is a periodic changes. So answer here is a regular interval of times. Question number 2. Substance A changes into substance B. So A changes into B. On heating, A changes into B. On cooling, B changes into A. B changes into A. The change can be classified as, so this type of changes is a type of reversible changes. So this type of changes is a type of reversible changes. Now 3. When a change takes place, dash is either absorbed or released. So generally the chemical changes takes place by the absorption of heat or release of the heat. So any type of the change, physical change or chemical change also, takes place either absorption or release of the heat. So here answer is heat. Now next questions. Continue the fill in the blanks. Question number 4. Tearing of paper is a type of. So we can break down the papers into small pieces. So tearing of papers is a type of physical change because no new substance are formed. So here the no new substance are formed. So it is a type of physical change. So answer is physical change. Now the next 5 number question. Breaking of coal into a small piece. So a big piece of the coals break down into the small pieces. But here coal break down to form the coal, not to other substance. So breaking of coal into a small pieces is a type of physical change. But the burning of coal is a. So when you burn the coal, so carbon compound present in the coals, they combined with oxygens, during burning, and they forms the CO2 plus water H2O vapor in the form of vapor. So in this process, burning of the coal is a type of chemical change because they forms the new substance. So it is a type of chemical change, it is a physical change. Now, true and false. So here 3 number questions. State whether true or false. A number, one number. A chemical change is always irreversible change. This is a true. Generally the chemical change is a irreversible change. So option, so this statement is the true statement. Now the next 2 number, high and low tides in the sea are example of a chemical change, not it is a type of physical change. So high tides and low tides formation in the sea is a type of physical change, it is not a chemical change. So it is a type of physical. So this option, this statement is the wrong statement. So false. Now 3 number question, ripening of fruit is an example of slow change. Ripening of fruit is an example of slow change. So it is a true options, true statement. Now the next question, 4 number, formation of water from hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen, formation of water from H2 and O2, formation of H2O is an example of chemical change. So in this process, the new substance H2O is formed from the H2 and O2. So different new substance form. So it is a type of chemical change. So this statement is the true statement. So here the answer is true. Now the next question. Question 5 number, some chemical changes occur faster in the presence of a catalyst. So generally the chemical changes taken place fast in the presence of a catalyst. This statement is the true statement. So answer is true. So for example, when KClO3 heated in the presence of MnO2, then 230 degrees Celsius, they form the KCl plus O2. Then in these reactions, MnO2 is a catalyst. This reaction taken place at the 230 degrees Celsius instead of 400 degree Celsius. So these reactions become fast when the catalyst is present, that is MnO2 is present. So this reaction becomes fast, and this reactions takes place at 230 degrees Celsius instead of 400 degrees Celsius. Now the next question, complete the analogy. Here melting ice is a type of reversible change. So germination of seed is a irreversible change. Irreversible change. So answer here is irreversible change. Now the next 2 number, burning of matchstick is a fast change. Burning of matchstick is a fast change. So rusting of iron, it is a type of slow change. So rusting of iron is a slow change, it will take more time. So answer here is rusting of irons. Now the next 3 number, sublimation of camphor. Sublimation of camphor is a type of physical change. Rusting of iron is a chemical change, and sublimation of camphor is a physical change. Now the next question, 4 number, phases of the moon, periodic change. Absolutely right, phases of the moon is a periodic change. So appearance of a shooting star is not a periodic change. So it is a non-periodic change. Appearance of a shooting star is a non-periodic change. Now next questions. Some here. Question number E, short answer type questions. Question number 1. Give 2 examples to show that a change can be desirable and undesirable at the same times. So give the 2 examples and also show that desirable and undesirable changes takes place at the same times. As you know that burning of coal and production of the electricity is a desirable change, but burning of coal produce a lot of pollutant substance in the atmosphere and they pollute our environment. So burning of fuels to generate electricity and burning of a candle to produce the light, it is a desirable change, but burning of fuel also produce the pollutants, which is an undesirable change. So burning of fuel is a desirable and undesirable both at the same time. Burning of candle is also a desirable and undesirable. It produces the light, which is a desirable change, but it also produces the pollutant substance, which undesirable changes. Now next question. Question number 2. A change can be both physical and chemical at the same times. So give an example for this. So question here is, a change can be both physical and chemical at the same time. So give an examples. So burning of a candle. In the burning of a candle, first the candle which is in the solid forms and wax present in the candle, first it melt in the liquid forms. After melting, it vaporizes in the gaseous forms, and that gaseous forms becomes burning. So initially melting of the wax is a physical change. After burning, during the burning, the wax, it is a carbon compound, changes into the CO2 and it is a chemical change. So physical and chemical change both taken place at the same time during the burning of a candle. Now the next questions. Define fast and slow changes. Fast and slow changes with an example for each. Now fast changes which take place within a short period of times, and slow changes, it will take more time. So here the definition is, fast changes which occur very fast, say within a few seconds or minute, are known as the fast changes. For example, burning of a paper. The burning of a paper is a fast changes. But slow changes which take place over a long period of time, that is hour, day, month or year, are also known as the slow changes. Example, rusting of iron. So rusting of iron, it will take a month or more than a month or year. So it is a slow changes. Now the next question is, what do you mean by the periodic and non-periodic changes? So periodic changes, the changes which repeated after a regular interval of time, that is the periodic changes. And non-periodic changes which do not repeat it after a particular interval of times, that is the non-periodic changes. So periodic changes that repeat themselves after regular interval of times and are bound to happen are known as periodic changes. As for example, rotation of the earth on its axis is a periodic changes. Now the next, non-periodic changes that are not repeated at regular interval of time are known as non-periodic changes. As for example, appearance of shooting star in the sky is a non-periodic changes. Now What are natural changes? Give example. So answer here is the changes that take place in nature by themselves and beyond the control of human beings. That changes is known as the natural changes. For example, rain, forest fire, changing of day into night. These all are the natural changes. So this is all about the objective question answers and some short question answer of the chapter 2. Okay, thank you.